Hello guys, how are you? My name is Luca and this is my kitchen. Welcome! Today we are making pumpkin and sausage lasagna. Let's cook!
Chop the onion. Pour in a pan olive oil and the chopped onion. Add a sprig of rosemary and let it fry for a few minutes. Discard the rosemary. Add the pumpkin cubes, salt and pepper. Stir and let it fry for a few minutes. Add half glass of warm water. Cover and let it cook for about 15 minutes.
If you wanna help me with my channel, please hit the like button, leave a comment and consider to subscribe. Thank you very much!
Break the sausage into small chunks. When the pumpkin is cooked, pour it in a bowl and set apart. Add the sausage crumbs in the pan where you cooked the pumpkin and let it fry for 5 minutes, high heat. Pour the sausage in a bowl and set apart. In the bottom of a baking tin, add some bechamel. Layer lasagna sheets. Add the pumpkin, sausage, parmesan and bechamel. Add another layer of lasagna sheets, pumpkin, sausage, parmesan and bechamel. Repeat until you run out of ingredients. Cook in a preheated oven 180 degrees for about 30 minutes.
It's very good, it's delicious. The pumpkin is sweet, the sausage is salty, you should try it.